Are you looking for a Black Friday Corsair Power Supply deals? In this video, I will show you the 5 best Black Friday Corsair Power Supply deals that we could find. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Corsair RM850X. Corsair RM850X series power supplies are built with the highest quality components to deliver 80+ gold-efficient power to your PC. Using only Japanese 105° C capacitors, users can depend on an RM850X PSU's long life and reliability. 0 RPM mode means an RM850X series PSU is virtually silent at low and medium loads, and even at maximum power, a low-noise fan ensures quiet operation. Fully modular cables make PC builds and upgrades easy, as you only need to install the cables your system requires. Quiet, efficient and dependable, an RM850X PSU has everything you need to power your high-performance PC for years to come. The 4th product on the list is the Corsair RM650. Modern Standby is a feature for Windows 10 that allows your PC to wake from sleep faster and maintain a network connection during sleep to continue downloads and receive updates, with less overall power consumption. To make use of Modern Standby, a compatible motherboard and CPU are required. A 135mm rifle bearing fan with a specially calculated fan curve ensures that fan noise is kept to a minimum, even at full load. When at low and medium loads, the fan stops spinning entirely until it's needed, resulting in virtually silent operation. Use only the cables you need for quick and easy installation, simplifying routing and cable management. Store your unused cables in the included cable bag. The 3rd product on the list is the Corsair CX750M. CX series modular power supply units are an excellent choice for basic system builds and desktop PC computer upgrades, offering high reliability, low noise, and the flexibility of modular cabling. Every Corsair power supply is designed by our California engineering team and built to our exact specifications. An excellent choice for basic system builds and desktop PC computer upgrades, offering high reliability, low noise, and easy installation. The flexible modular cabling system lets you use only the cables you need, and 80+ bronze certified efficiency means less excess heat, lower noise, and lower power bills. Continuous output rated temperature, 40 degrees Celsius. The 2nd product on the list is the Corsair RM750X. Corsair RMX series fully modular power supplies are built with the highest quality components to deliver 80+ gold-efficient power to your PC with the cooling power of potent magnetic levitation fans. Utilizes a magnetic levitation bearing and custom-engineered rotors for high performance, low bearing noise, and superior reliability. With upwards of 90% peak efficiency, RMX produces less noise and less heat, which means less time worrying and more time gaming. Completely modular cables means you only connect the cables your system needs, and the wide range of included cables adds broad compatibility with modern graphics cards and motherboards. The 1st product on the list is the Corsair CX750F. CXF RGB power supplies light up the internals of your PC with 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs and fully modular cables for easy cable management. Corsair CXF RGB series fully modular power supplies deliver reliable 80+ bronze efficient power to your system and let you use only the cables you need for a cleaner build. Series fully modular power supplies deliver reliable 80+ bronze efficient power to your system, alongside vibrant customizable lighting from a 120mm RGB fan boasting 8 RGB LEDs and a clean aesthetic. Easily cycle through 10 preset lighting modes or connect to a Corsair iQ RGB lighting controller or compatible motherboard. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.